If you're like most professionals or serious DIYers, you like your tools kept in a neat, orderly way. There are many products available to choose tool organizers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best tool organizers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt Tool Storage Organizer Cart. This two-shelf toolbox has a 66-pound weight capacity, a space big enough for power tools, and numerous divided compartments that can hold smaller items. It's part of DeWalt's Stack line, which includes drawers, trolleys, carts, and other organizational products that you can mix and match to configure your own tailor-made tool storage setup. Number 2. TVU GHBUILT TVU CT 34 Small Electrician's Pouch. This pouch makes it easy to keep your essential tools at your fingertips, or more accurately on your belt. It has 13 pockets and loop, including a wire tester pocket, a tape chain, and 2 screwdriver loops. This model is designed specifically with electricians in mind, but ToughBuilt also has a variety of other purpose-built pouches. Number 3. Klein Tools Replacement Probe Tip. This bag is made from durable material and delivers the high-quality craftsmanship you would expect from Klein Tools. The double-layered bottom adds reinforced strength, and the tunnel loop at the back fits belts up to 3 inches. Amazon users raved about its ability to hold its shape even after continued use, though some mentioned it felt bulky to wear all day. Number 4. Keter 2407625 Drawer Modular Garage and Tool Organizer. This rolling chest can follow you as you move around your workshop or job site. It includes 16 removable in-drawer bins and a spacious, open bottom drawer, so you can arrange your storage system however you like. The central locking system keeps everything secure and in place, even through travel. Number 5. Klein Tools 55421BP 14 Tool Backpack. This backpack provides a convenient way to take all of your tools and supplies with you. Plus, the 39 pockets provide a spot for everything you need to carry. The hard-shelled front pocket is perfect for safety glasses, your phone, or other items you want to protect from scratches or damage. And the molded bottom ensures the backpack stays standing, no matter what you have inside.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.